I have spent all of my adult life and a good portion of childhood manipulating fabric, using different dyes, using different stitches. The Joy of Natural Dyes experience is all about discovering how nature interacts with fabric and how you can create patterns and colors and textures with flowers and plants that are around us. There's a lot of creativity that happens because of farming. Bringing that into art is really important. I think it's important to share that story with other people. We have lots of space on this property, and I can grow more than just food. I can grow all of the art supplies that I've loved using, and I can share those art supplies with other people. In the spring, we're going to do a steamed method of color transfer using the dried plant material from the past season. In the summer, when everything is growing outside, we'll spend some time in the garden, smelling the plants, touching the plants, and taste some of the things that are grown here on the farm. Transfer the dye from the plant onto napkins. I've really focused the fall activity around the indigo, and that is a really transformative dye to play with. The reveals are very exciting, and you're never quite sure until you open it all back up what it is that you're going to see. The Joys of Natural Dye experience is special because it's something that not a lot of people know how to do. It can be very intimidating. And here's a space that you can do it that it's safe to make a mess. And I think that there's just a lot of joy and fun that can be had from that. Doing this in community is a lot more fun than just doing it by yourself in your kitchen, because you can feed off of the ideas of other people. You can look over there and say, oh, what are they doing? I want to try it this way instead. What I enjoy most out of this whole thing is watching people's reactions when they have discovered a new thing that they've created themselves. That's the shared joy, that's the community that we're creating together in these moments. The actual making of art is really important because it helps cement in your mind the experience that you've had. I think color is really intrinsic to the human experience. It can communicate feelings, it can communicate emotions, and it's interesting to watch how other people see the world through art. If I could describe the Joy of Natural Dyes experience, it would be playing with color, playing with natural dyes, being in a natural environment, experiencing nature in a different way. My name's Jessica Risser-Milne, and we are at Nerdy Girls Farm on Canaan Mountain. We're talking about the joy of natural dyes and the colors of South Mountain.